Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make honey beer. Start by sanitizing all equipment and measuring ingredients precisely to avoid off flavors. Use a simple recipe with honey, malt or malt extract, yeast, water, and hops if you like bitterness. Maintain stable fermentation temperature and monitor gravity to gauge progress. Bottle or keg after fermentation finishes and condition until carbonation and flavor balance your palate. Gather ingredients with care to shape your honey beer. Pick a mild honey so the malt and yeast can complement it without overpowering the beer. Decide whether to use malt extract for ease or mash grains for depth. Choose a neutral ale yeast to showcase the honey aroma and ferment cleanly. Measure water chemistry, if possible, to support yeast health and a balanced final flavor. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more brewing tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with hobby brewing budgets and long-term planning. Check the description for the link and other deals to help out the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a steady process to bring honey beer to life. Heat water and steep specialty grains if you want extra color and body, then add malt extract and bring to a boil. Cool the wort before stirring in honey to retain fragile aromatics. Pitch yeast at the correct temperature, ferment until gravity stabilizes, and then condition in bottles or a keg for smooth carbonation and rounded flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.